Ever stared at your crypto wallet, wondering if it's truly secure, truly yours? You've heard the horror stories, the lost keys, the frozen accounts. And with Kraken, a platform handling your hard-earned digital assets, that nagging question of verification becomes paramount. It's not just about ticking a box, it's about establishing trust, ensuring compliance, and unlocking the full potential of your crypto journey. So, how do you actually verify your Kraken wallet, and why is it so crucial? Let's rewind a bit. You've downloaded the Kraken app, maybe transferred some funds, and you're ready to dive into the world of trading, staking, or simply holding your crypto. But before you can fully unleash the power of Kraken, you'll encounter the verification process. Think of it as the digital equivalent of showing your ID at a bank. It's a necessary step to confirm your identity and prevent fraudulent activities. Why all the fuss about verification, though? Well, for starters, it's about regulatory compliance. Governments worldwide are increasingly clamping down on money laundering and terrorist financing, and crypto exchanges are no exception. Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations mandate that exchanges verify their users' identities. This isn't just Kraken being bureaucratic, it's a legal requirement designed to keep the entire crypto ecosystem safe. Beyond compliance, verification unlocks higher deposit and withdrawal limits. Imagine wanting to withdraw a significant amount of your crypto, only to be met with a frustratingly low limit. Verification solves that problem. It proves you're a legitimate user, allowing Kraken to grant you access to higher tiers of service. And let's not forget security. A verified account is inherently more secure. It's harder for scammers to impersonate you, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or fraudulent transactions. In essence, verification acts as a digital shield, protecting your assets and your peace of mind. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually verify your Kraken wallet? The process is relatively straightforward, but it requires careful attention to detail. Kraken offers several verification tiers, each unlocking different levels of access. The initial tier, often referred to as starter, typically involves providing basic personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and country of residence. This tier usually allows for limited deposit and withdrawal amounts. To access higher tiers, you'll need to provide more detailed information, including your residential address, proof of identity, and potentially proof of address. Proof of identity usually involves uploading a clear, high-resolution photo of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Kraken's system will then verify the document, ensuring it's authentic and matches the information you've provided. Proof of address typically requires a recent utility bill, bank statement, or other official document that clearly displays your name and address. This document must be dated within the last few months to ensure it's current. Here's a breakdown of the steps involved in a typical verification process. Log into your Kraken account. Access your account through the Kraken app or website. Navigate to the verification section. Look for a verification or settings tab. Select the desired verification tier. Choose the tier that best suits your needs. Provide the required information. Fill out the forms accurately and completely. Upload the necessary documents. Ensure the documents are clear, legible, and meet Kraken specifications. Submit your application. Review your information and documents before submitting. Wait for verification. Kraken's team will review your application, which may take a few days. During the verification process, accuracy is paramount. Any discrepancies or errors can lead to delays or even rejection. Double-check all information before submitting, and ensure the documents you upload are clear and easily readable. A few tips to ensure a smooth verification process. Use high-quality photos. Blurry or low-resolution images can be rejected. Ensure documents are current. Expired IDs or outdated address proofs won't be accepted. Provide accurate information. Double-check your details to avoid errors. Follow Kraken's instructions. pay close attention to the specific requirements for each document. Be patient, verification can take time, so avoid submitting multiple applications. Let's say you've uploaded the documents, submitted, and now you wait. What happens next? Kraken's team will review your application, comparing the information you provided with the documents you uploaded. If everything matches and meets their requirements, your account will be verified. You'll receive a notification confirming your verification status. If, however, there are any issues, Kraken will notify you and provide instructions on how to resolve them. This might involve re-uploading documents or providing additional information. Don't panic if this happens. Just follow the provided instructions, and you'll be on your way. Now, let's address some common concerns. Many users worry about the security of their personal information when uploading sensitive documents. Kraken employs robust security measures to protect your data, including encryption and secure storage. They also adhere to strict privacy policies, ensuring your information is handled responsibly. Another common question is, what if I don't want to verify my account? While you can technically use Kraken with limited functionality without full verification, you'll miss out on many of its benefits. Restricted limits, limited trading options, and increased security risks are just a few of the downsides. Verification isn't just a hurdle, it's an investment in your security and access. Beyond the technical aspects, understanding the broader implications of verification is vital. It's about building a trustworthy crypto ecosystem. By verifying our identities, we contribute to a safer and more transparent market, reducing the risk of fraud and illicit activities. It's also important to remember that verification requirements can change. Regulations evolve, and Kraken may update its verification procedures to comply with new laws or enhance security. Always refer to Kraken's official website or support channels for the most up-to-date information. In summary, verifying your Kraken wallet is a crucial step in your crypto journey. It's about compliance, security, and unlocking the full potential of your account. It might seem like a hassle, but the benefits far outweigh the temporary inconvenience. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can ensure a smooth and successful verification process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.